Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this GWELEC 20V 4Ah black+decker compatible lithium batteries. So this was provided to me by the distributor, but they're not compensating me for this video and they're not reviewing it before I post it. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description. If you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost anything extra. So these are batteries that are compatible with black+decker 20V tools. So let's get these open. So this comes with two 4Ah batteries. Here we have the user manual. So you want to read through this on your own. It's going to have notes on using your batteries. And here we have the two batteries. So if you have black+decker 20V tools, you can look and see if your current batteries are this style. So these are 20 volts at 4 amps or 80 watt hours. So these can be charged with the black+decker charger. So I have this charger here. I'll plug in power. So this will slip on the battery. And now that's flashing green, showing it's charging. And with this charger, it's currently charging at about 10 watts. So that can work with tools like this black+decker drill. So I'll try this out. I'll put a Torx bit in it and have a Torx screw. So I'll try this one here. So this will slide right in the tool just like the factory battery. So I'll put a screw in this board. Now I think this came with a 1.5 amp hour battery. This is 4 amp hour, so this is going to give you more capacity. So if yours came with the smaller batteries, this is going to give you more capacity than the batteries it came with. Of course, this will also work with the leaf blower. Pull this off of here. That will slide in back here, and that will work. So I'll actually take this outside and demonstrate it, and I'll insert that clip now. So that worked very well. And with two of these, you have 8 amp hours total. So that can give you a lot of runtime on your leaf blower. And of course, to take these out, you just press this here and the battery slides right out. So those are the GWELEC 20V 4 amp hour black+decker compatible lithium batteries. If you're in the black+decker tool ecosystem and the batteries that came with your tools are getting low and you're looking for some replacement batteries, I think a battery like this is a great option. With 4 amp hours, you're going to get extended capacity over the lower watt hour batteries that may have come with it. So you can get extended runtime on things like blowers, and a 4 amp hour battery like this in a drill would last a really long time. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.